guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a huge unboxing. I did a lot of shopping and I've got so much to share with you, and we are going to go through everything I bought online, and that's what this haul is all about. And you probably noticed that the background is very different from where I'm normally filming because I'm actually house sitting and dog sitting for a friend. One of the pups is right there. Also, if you have not already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications of upcoming videos and live streams. So if you guys want to see what I picked up in this huge unboxing, just keep on watching. Before we start unboxing everything, which will take forever and a day, I'm going to do swatches here and there, but I'm not going to do a huge thing of swatches just because if you guys want to see full reviews on any of these things, just let me know in the comments below. The first thing I bought was on Amazon, and this actually, let's open this bad boy up. This one was a curler, an eyelash curler, because my eyelash curler broke while it was next to my eye. Not good at all. It's snapped in half, and this one is really nice. It's great for false lashes. I wear them all the time. It looks like this, and it's open on either end, if you can see that. I think it was like $5.99 on Amazon. It wasn't bad. And then a couple of the extra little squishy things for here. I really badly need it. And right now, even my lashes are not looking great. I wanted to give my lashes a break from falsies, and I've been kind of sitting by the pool outside, so I haven't been wearing them lately. And again, it's because I didn't have an eyelash curler either. I picked up some palettes from Sally's Beauty Supply. If you guys have not seen the first video of my underrated makeup, I will go ahead and link it in the cards above. It is on this palette, which is the Matte and Metallics palette. It looks like this. So I went ahead and picked up the two other ones that Ardell puts out, the Pro Eyeshadow Palette in Shimmer and the Pro Eyeshadow Palette in Matte. They look like this. And these were both $12.99, which was awesome. I actually had a coupon or some sort of something going on from Sally's. So this is definitely more of a cool tone palette, if you can see that there. There is a hint of green right here, and then it's got some nice transition shades, the brow bone highlight. This is an all matte palette. I love the formula of their mattes. They do kick up quite a bit, but that's okay because I know that they're highly, highly pigmented and able to blend really nicely. So I'm very excited to use this. Also, the Pro Eyeshadow Palette in Shimmer. This one is from Ardell. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. These shimmers are just like the one in the Matte and Metallic palette. Let's go ahead and see if I can get this plastic thing off here. Oh, there we go. And it looks like this. These colors right here are calling my name. I love this purple. This color up here is gorgeous. I'm super excited to dip into these. I think that this is going to be absolutely beautiful, and the formulation is fantastic. You can really use these with a damp brush, a regular dry brush that's synthetic and like tightly packed. You can use this with your finger. You can use this with glitter glue. You can use them any which way you want to. They just work so well. So I went ahead and picked that bad boy up. So I made a huge purchase to Wet n Wild, and what I wanted was actually some liquid shadows because I've heard amazing things about their liquid shadows. They look like this. See if I can turn them around. I love these colors. I think that these would be really pretty and fun to play with, and they retail for $5.29 on the website, so I picked up quite a few of them. And so I picked these guys up because I like the Milani formula so much. I wanted to pick up more to play with, and I think I'm gonna do a full dedicated video to the best of the liquid eye toppers because there's so many out there and there's so many to pick from. If you guys want to see that, give me a thumbs up, or put it in a comment below. That's what you want to see. Also, any kind of tutorials and stuff that you want to see with any of these products, please go ahead and put it in the comments. Moving on, what else did I get from Wet n Wild? They sent me a liquid catsuit metallic matte lipstick, and this one is in Sea Seduction, and it's blue. I will never wear that. I just can't pull that off. I am not that special. I wish I was, but there's no way. They sent me a bunch of foundations, different colors here, sample sizes, and also a little pin. Huh, cute little pin. So that's nice. And then all of my loose pigments that I wanted. These are what I actually ordered, and they're $2.99 a piece. And there's a crap ton in here. Jeez, how many did I order? Well, I did not realize how many that I ordered. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 of them that I picked up, and they're all here. Let's see. We've got Pegasus, which is kind of like a pinky tone. We did this one, which is Unicorn Wishes, which is a blue, pretty blue tone. This purple one that is Mystical Dreams. We've got this one that I'm really excited about. This is Fire Rain, and it's that really pretty magenta, dark, like rich tone. I've got an inner corner highlight I can't wait to use. You're My Boo. Beautiful. We've got another blue one, Two Nights Blue. It looks like it's got a shift to it too, like a purple shift. That's really pretty. And then this one, which I'm excited to use as well, this one is Pinky Boo. And that's really pretty. So I picked up those guys too. I was really interested in their loose pigments. I have never tried them, but I've heard amazing things. So, I mean, the price is right. So I went ahead and picked those bad boys up. Let's see, moving on. We're gonna be like, because we got a lot to go over. So I picked up a bunch of palettes from Anastasia because I actually have not purchased anything from them in a long time. The last palette that I got from them was the Soft Glam palette, and that was in my goodie bag from Makeup by Mario. But I went ahead and purchased a few palettes because I have not tried them, and I love the formula of Anastasia's eyeshadows. So I picked up the Sultry palette, which is freaking stunning. The packaging is amazing. I am highly impressed. Oh God, this is beautiful. I'm so glad, so glad I picked this up. Oh my God. Oh, the glitters in here. Ember and Bloom, these two right here are so pretty. I don't know if you can see that. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this palette. This is probably one of my favorites other than Soft Glam and Modern Renaissance. This is probably one of my favorite palettes already, I can tell you. I just love this packaging too. It's freaking stunning. I, of course, picked up this one, Norvina, because I've heard mixed reviews about this palette, but I wanted to see it for myself. And the fact that I love the eyeshadows, even if it's a terrible, oh, it's not bad. That's stunning. It's so girly and pretty, and just, it's got more of a mauvey kind of pink, very Easter tone, I feel like. That's kind of what the vibe I'm getting from this palette right now. And I love the fact that the whole top is glitter and shimmer and beautiful, just perfect pigment, and then all the bottoms are matte. They have some transitions, which is nice, and then those pops of color. I think I'm gonna like this palette. I'm really excited to try that guy out. And then the last one I picked up, obviously, is the Riviera palette. Oh, I like the packaging. This is really pretty, and I'm so glad none of these busted on the way over here. These pinks, oh my goodness. These pinks right here are so gorgeous. I did a dupes video when I was in Florida on this palette. Well, I wanted to buy both. Now that I have the Riviera, I now want to buy the Makeup Revolution palette just so I can really compare. Let me tell you, if you have not seen that video, I'll link it above. But yes, this is just a beautiful, beautiful palette. They outdid themselves. I love the transitions, the pink tones, the purples, the shimmers, the brow bone highlight. It's stunning. Wow, these are really pretty. You know, Cabana is kind of mustardy color. That is calling my name right now. I'll be doing some reviews and some swatches and things like that. So if you guys want to see certain looks or anything, you let me know on these guys. I will happily do that for you. So the last thing that I ordered and picked up was from Makeup Revolution, and they were having a huge sale, huge. So I went a little crazy. I picked up the Revolution Dazzling Lights collection, and it has a Skin Kiss, liquid highlighter in Dragon's Blood, liquid highlighter in Mermaid Scales, and liquid highlighter in Pixie Dust. It looks like that. These looked really interesting, and I think it'll be fun if I do a Coachella look or like a festival look to use this green on the cheeks as the highlighter. I think that that would be really cool. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, good Lord. They have it all wrapped up. Oh my God, this is crazy. The first thing I can grab here is a lipstick, and this one is in Stiletto. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. It's more of a nude shade. It's a really pretty nude shade. Oh my God. I'm digging this color. I'm glad I picked that guy up because I love me a good nude. I might have 9,000 of them, but that's okay because a girl can never have too many nudes. Not pictures, nude lipsticks. And then this one is called Syrup, and this is the Revolution and Soph collaboration. Oh, this one's pretty too. That one's very similar to Stiletto. We're gonna go ahead and swatch these bad boys since we're here. The Stiletto, And this one is Soph. Okay, so Soph is definitely more cream and Stiletto is definitely more matte, but they're very, very similar in shade and tone, but the finishes are definitely different, which is perfectly fine for me because depending on my mood, I'd like to have a couple of different nudes in different formulations because every day is different for me. You just never know. So I also picked up the Revolution and Soph collaboration lipstick in Fudge. And this one looked really interesting because I'm digging darker lipsticks lately. I don't know if you guys are too. Even though it's summer, I'm still digging darker tones. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. Oh yeah, that's much darker. And definitely a cream, which is good. That one's really pretty. But I've been digging like the 1990s dark lip, like the statement lip. I've been into that so much lately. What else did I pick up and forget about? Because I ordered this so long ago. It took so long to get here because it was from the Revolution site itself, not like Ulta. So it took forever to get here. What I picked up was the Revolution 5% caffeine solution and hyaluronic acid. It's a targeted under eye treatment. I just turned 35 on the 5th of March and I'm going to be using retinol, hyaluronic acid, anything I can get my hands on to help with under eye bags and things like that before I have to get filler under there because I know it's coming. It looks pretty good and I've heard amazing things about it, so I was so happy it was in stock and I picked that guy up. I picked up, I'm really hoping this is going to be my shade. Now that I'm tan, I don't think this is going to work. This one is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation and it looks like this and it's got the huge applicator. So what I think I might do is a foundation review on this for you guys and get the little concealer. Also, if it's not my right color, I'm probably going to go to Ulta and pick up one that is and maybe mix them. If one's a little too dark, then I can always do darker in the hollows of the cheeks and the lighter one in the T-zone area and then pat it out. I might end up doing that, but a foundation review, if you guys want to see that. I haven't done a foundation review in over a year. No, it's been almost 2 years. So you let me know and I'm happy to do that for you. Especially because my skin has changed immensely. It was oily for a really long time. Now I feel like I'm super dry, except for like right on my tip of my nose. I'm gonna link everything I purchased in the down bar below as well so that you guys have the ability to purchase any of these things if you want to. I picked up some single eyeshadows, which I'm really hoping didn't bust on the way over here. Maybe. This one is called Burgundy, and it's a single eyeshadow. It's so pretty. Oh my God. I saw it online and I could not have it. I think that they're a little bit more on like the creamy side. Like they're comparable to ColourPop's Super Shock Shadows. I have a feeling that's what these are like. This one is in copper. This one is black. These are gorgeous. This one is in gold. And this one definitely busted, so. These other two, I think these were only like $2 a piece too, which is fantastic. This one is in brown. This one is in green. So pretty. I picked up the Pro Precision brush and it's an oval face brush. Let's see if I can open this up. It looks like this. My other one just fell apart. So I went ahead and picked this bad boy up. He is beautiful. I think he's gonna blend out that foundation amazing. I loved my other one, but the handle just broke off and no amount of Gorilla Glue is gonna fix that. So I just had to pick up another one. And that guy was on sale too for like $5. Then I picked up a few palettes. Oh my God, they're so pretty. This palette is called the Foil Frenzy Intense Metallic Cream to Powder Shadows. And this is stunning. Oh my God. Can you see that color right there? Oh, the texture of these. Holy crap. Oh, and it's got like a pink shift to it. Okay, so I'm gonna do that pink and then I'm gonna do this guy right here, this dark tone color. It's like a pretty blue. And then I'm gonna do the gold for you. And the gold is right there, right in that middle. Oh, that gold is crazy pigmented. Oh my God. That was off one swipe too. That's crazy. The texture of these is very, very soft. You could probably put these on with your finger. This is going to be so much fun to play with. Oh my gosh. yeah, the texture of these is very different from any kind of shadow I've tried before, especially for a glitter shadow. Usually they're pretty chunky, but there really wasn't any fallout, and they've got a little cush to them, so they're kind of, like it says, a cream to powder shadow. They look amazing. And then the other thing I picked up, which I'm so glad did not bust on the way here, the Revolution Vintage Lace Intense Metallic Cream to Powder Highlight. Because apparently when I was ordering these, I was really into the cream to powder because all the stuff I picked up was pretty much glittery and cream to powder. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. These two are calling my name. I think I'm gonna swatch both of those. I'm gonna swatch this one first. Okay. Oh yeah. Alrighty. And then the pink one right next to it. Y'all. Oh, those are beautiful. Do you guys see that? All of these shadows have a very distinct consistency to them, and I love it. I think it's going to be one of my favorite things to play with nowadays, other than the liquid shadows that kind of go on to your lid with the applicator, because these ones are definitely more cream, but they're cream to powder, so they go on a little bit more on that creamy side, kind of like the Super Shock shadows from ColourPop, but these ones are just a little bit more intense, I feel like. These ones are awesome. That is what I picked up. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see anything with any of these products, I am happy to do that. I'm definitely going to be on the foundation to do a foundation review and a wear test and the whole thing. You let me know if that's what you want to see. Anything else that you want to see within these products, a comparison, the battle of the liquid eyeshadow toppers, I'm definitely going to get on that as soon as possible, just to test all of them and see, you know, which one's chunkier, which one has fallout, you know, all that kind of stuff. So if you guys want to see that video, again, put it in the comments below. I love your comments. I read them all. I always try my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Yeah, I love you guys. And if you have not already, again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and the bell for notifications of upcoming videos. I love you guys. Have a wonderful afternoon, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.